back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Monique, whatever, I don't care. It's your favorite girl. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, share, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss another video when I post. Make sure you share my video. Tell your friend, your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your cousin to come subscribe to my channel. Then get me to 3K subscribers. I'm on my way to 3K. So today, as you can see in the title below, I'll be rating Jamaican YouTubers on a scale of 1 to 10. So before I get into this video, I want to say something. If I rate them, I'm not nobody at top or I'm not rate them fear and this and that. Because so everybody has their own opinion. Everybody have so I rate them off of more. So these are Jamaican YouTubers, everybody's supposed to know them. So them picture go come up on the screen over there, so I'm gonna rate them from 1 to 10. Yeah, me just let me say it again. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow me TikTok, follow me for everything. You can DM me ideas if you want. I have a lot, but I just don't know. I don't have the vibes to do them. So yeah. The first one is Tishane and Keimba. Tishane and Keimba get a 10 out of 10 for me. They're really nice. I even see them in person one time. I go see the picture with me and them on the screen. They're really nice. Alright, I'm gonna tell you about that part. I'm gonna go buy my shoes. I'm gonna buy my shoes at town. It was downtown, and some that was a trying on my shoes. Some spot Tishane. Some me say, what boy that looks so like me know him. Let me say, as my face looking, no Tishane that. They me look good. Look my head come to my body and say, not Keimba that. I'm gonna show. Show me a gun. Some of you going and the people them. I say, you know them, I say, give them a YouTube and them say, you want to go talk to them, you jump on them. Before me even try on my shoes, the man say, you sure say the shoes fit? I say, yes, 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 I pop up money, everything and game.
What? What the fuck?
I pop up money, I'm a game, and then the boy got to Keimba. When the man got to Keimba and said, like girl, Keimba they actually look for me. She don't look for me because she did that like she has said, you know what, them are beauty but them gonna have fans, and she look for me like she said, look look at girl before she just come to me. I'm gonna say, yeah, like she nice, two of them nice, not like them real nice and them cute. No, yeah, but Keimba she pretty bad. She pretty bad. No one see her in person. She look the same, you know, but she look extra pretty in person, I swear. So the boy got to Keimba and him say, when I finish, that girl wants, as in me, want to take a picture with her, and him say, yeah, alright. Then she come over there and she say, you know, say, can come something like she does, so me can't come to her. I'm not have to be shy because I mean, say, yeah, man, you want to see me? I was excited up and weird things. I'm going to show you a picture with me and them on the take. And them actually nice. So yeah, them get a 10 out of 10 for me. We give ourselves Tishane and Keimba. I'm hoping next time with me and me, you know, we can able to do a YouTube video together. Other one is Gio and Ken. Alright, so me like Gio and Ken. I always watch them videos and things. So I always watch them videos and them look nice together and shit. When I care what nobody wants to say, everybody have their ownership to say. When I care nobody don't like them, but me like Gio and Ken, and Gio and Ken get a 10 out of 10 from me because them look real good. And yeah, but maybe through 2020 a little changes kind of go on. Like them just kind of not really do a lot of video like one time. Like when they just start YouTube, remember? Yeah, I'm like John Ken friend then just start and you know the orange and black suit with the vibe on it, that one. Yeah, I like them from long time. So them get a 10 out of 10 for me. So yeah, so what me get for me too? What me get for me Gio and Ken one day in person. Just like how we meet Tishane and Keimba. Hopefully we can do one video together. I'm just saying. Yes, so the next YouTube couple is Nikki and Klein. Nikki and Klein have a buzz. Them have a buzz. Them video nice as hell and them cute. But like Nikki, like she always put herself together. She always nice and same with Klein. Them funny, them nice. I like watching video. Them get a 10 out of 10 for me, period. Because I'm nice and you know, all of that. Them really nice. I'm not tell no lie. Them look nice. Even if I go up on the Instagram page and look on the couple picture, brother, you know, one for come off. I swear. So now the next one is Dolly and Image. Dolly and Image. Image and Dolly, yeah. Them know. I like watch them video and thing. So I'm not really a fan of them, but watch them videos and yeah, watch them video and laugh. Enough time. Yeah, my family watch them video and we laugh because it's funny. So yeah. So Dolly and Image, this is what me I give them. I don't know about it, but them get a 8 out of 10 for me. Yeah? Them video nice and thing. I see them one time in person. It was on a holiday. It was Dolly's birthday, and we did their Ochi and we see them, but we did like a beach with my friend. Somebody already did our cars and them did them on her. So I'm not going to could come on here and say, I'm never do one bit. But I go ball with their name and shit. So yeah, I see them one time in person at Ochi already. Yeah, so them get a 8 out of 10 for me. So big up yourself, Dolly and Image. And yeah. So the next one, they're Jamaican YouTubers now. Them are Jamaican YouTubers, but them live overseas. The Carter's family. So yeah. Them live overseas, so the Carter's family really like them video. I like when them do videos with them daughter, the big one. I like the big daughter, and yeah, I like watch them videos, but I'm not really a fan of them. So them gets a 9 out of 10 for me. Them nice and thing, but I really watch them videos for you. So I'm not really a fan, but I'm watching video a lot. You know I'm not gonna be a fan, but yeah, but them get 9 out of 10 from me. So now the next person that we have is King and Shay. They are the last because I don't really watch Jamaican couple YouTubers like that. So the last one is King and Shay. King and Shay funny bad. Me not ask Christ. Them funny. And everybody's supposed to know King and Shay. Them really funny. And them video, them get 10 out of 10 from me. Them video really nice. They always make me laugh. They're supposed to make everybody laugh. Them funny and thing. Them really funny. So if you don't know them, you can just go watch them video up on YouTube. Everybody's supposed to know King and Shay, by the way. So yeah, King and Shay are nice. Them get 10 out of 10 from me because them funny, but I'm like watch videos of funny. Make me laugh and thing. So guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss when I post another video, right? And make sure someone please I'm going to reach 3K subscribers, and I'm going to post every single day once I have the time. Right, so just make sure to say you do that for me.